Hey everyone, let's talk vanity cases. I'm gonna unbox my one and only designer vanity case as I talk to you about this. So as you can see, I decided to purchase the Dior vanity case, which I've had my eye on since August 2019, and I ended up buying it in January 2020. So most of the time, pretty much with everything I buy, I really like to leave it a while before deciding whether to get it or not. Obviously that's not always the case, but a lot of the times with things like this, where it's not an everyday bag, although I have got a hack that I'm going to show you in a second. So this is what I decided to get. I'm going to compare this to the Gucci vanity case, of which there are two, Louis Vuitton and Chanel, and I'm going to share with you sizes but price differences, and then at the end which one I think is the most worth getting if you're going to buy one of these. The first thing that I want to talk about, or I guess bring to your attention, is something that I've noticed just recently. I feel that this year the vanity case has become a lot more popular, and we're only into February, nearly March at this point, and I just feel, I don't know, I just feel like it's a lot more people are buying them, and I'm seeing them a lot more typically on Instagram. And one thing that I've really noticed, when I go through the prices, you're going to see what I mean here. But if you take this, for example, this is 1,450. If you were to buy an equivalent sized handbag from Dior, you'd be looking at over £3,000. So that's nearly, what, that's like 2,000. Normally their bags are like, I think the saddle bags, maybe the top end of 2,000, but you're looking at 3,000 pretty much. And I feel that with a lot of these brands, that if you want a designer bag and maybe your style is a bit different, or you don't care, or you want to get more bag for your money, I feel like have a look at the vanity cases, because this is what I've been seeing. I'm going to show you two chains that I have. You can get these in different coloured metals. I think this was about £15. I bought it on Etsy, and if I can find it, I'll put details below. But there's loads of chain handles on Etsy. And now this is what I've been seeing people do with them. And it really made me think, oh, I definitely want to talk about this in this video, because I think that this is a really good alternative to buying a full-on designer handbag. So this chain handle I've just put on the top like that, and you can get shorter versions of this. I've actually got, let me show you, I have got one that is this length. So if I mean it's got a top handle, this, but if I didn't want to do that, I could, you know what I'm saying. So I've been seeing people wearing vanity cases like this, and I really like it. But the main thing I want to say here is, with these bags, I mean, I'm going to come on to the Chanel one in a second. Chanel are notoriously expensive, and their vanity case is full leather, and it's under £1,500, which for Chanel, given the size of it, this is what I'm trying to convey. If I compare this to this is £3,300. This is possibly bigger, and it's 1,400. So that's what I'm trying to say. And there may be those of you that are like, have you lost your mind? You can't wear a vanity case as a bag. But I think you can do whatever you want. And for any of you watching and you're like, yeah, I actually don't mind that, then this might be something that you want to do. Another thing to add to that, because on the inside, because these are vanity cases, they're just one open section, you can find on Etsy, and I've seen in other places as well, you can get inserts that go in here that have got all of the pockets. So, and you can get different ones depending on the kind of items that you carry around. So it doesn't have to be just one vanity case with all your stuff rolling about in it. Did I say you can have the top personalised, so you can get your name embroidered onto here? Now I'm going to compare it to Chanel. Chanel have got, you can buy their cases in different sizes, but the one I'm going to compare this to is the one that's the equivalent size. Their vanity cases come in leather, not in fabric, and the two types of leather are either lamb, or caviar. So caviar leather has got like a texture to it. It's a lot more hard wearing, whereas the lambskin is really, really soft and it can scuff quite easily. I'm showing it here in two different colours. The black you can always get, but I also wanted to show you this. It comes in hot pink at the moment. And the price of the Chanel case, I think it's about £10 cheaper than the Christian Dior. Yeah, it is. I've got my notes on the floor. 1,440. I think if you were to compare the Dior and the Chanel, if you were buying for investment, i.e. you want to buy it and you possibly might want to sell it in the future, I always think that Chanel is a better one to go for. If you think you might want to try it and decide and then possibly sell it sooner, I think that probably this one, only because I know this isn't for everyone. I get loads of you that are like, I can't stand the logo all over it, and that's fine. But if you don't mind the logo, I feel like this at the moment, this kind of style is quite trendy, and these are also quite hard to get. So I would say that you'd probably have more luck in the short term selling this for near what you paid for it than you would the Chanel, which I still think you get what you paid for it, but it might take a bit longer just because they're easier to get and they're not as kind of like flashy, do you want to call it that? Before I move on to Louis Vuitton and compare those, I saw this on the Chanel website. You know how I was talking about the ability of wearing these vanity cases as bags? You can clearly see here that Chanel have cottoned onto this because part of their new collection this year, they actually have made a tiny vanity case that comes on a chain handle. And would you look at the price of it? This is tiny compared to the vanity case, and it's a lot more money because it's being sold as a handbag. As soon as something is a handbag, the price jumps right up. And that's another reason why I wanted to talk about this, because I would not be surprised, let's say if the trend continues this year and lots of us start buying these vanity cases and carrying them as bags, surely Chanel and Dior are going to go, hang a minute, we're charging $3,000 for a bag, and now everyone's buying the vanity cases at $1,000 and something and wearing those. Maybe we should put the prices up. I don't know, it's just my thoughts. Okay, so Louis Vuitton. Now Louis Vuitton they've got it's called Nice is their vanity case, and you can get it in quite a few different sizes, I think 3. Before I talk about those, again, like mentioning what I was saying about Chanel, look at this. This is a new bag out from Louis Vuitton. It's essentially a vanity case with a chain handle, just like what I've done with the Dior example. Chain handle, being sold as an actual handbag, but for all intents and purposes, it's a vanity case with a chain attached to it. So I think these brands are starting to cotton on to maybe the 2020 trend. And for any of you watching and you're like, I've got roughly £1,000 to spend or £1,500 and I don't want to have to go and buy a micro bag for that money. I want to be able to buy it from Chanel, Dior or Louis Vuitton or Gucci. Your money goes far when you're buying these vanity cases. The first one that I'm going to talk about from Louis Vuitton is the Mini. This Mini is £555, and the dimensions of it, it's not teeny tiny. You could definitely work with it, but it is quite small. And I actually think, given the size of it, if you're someone that does like small bags, if you're like, actually that idea of wearing a vanity case is quite kind of different, but I don't want to carry something as big as the Dior, then maybe the Mini would do it for you. The second one, this is kind of the regular one that I feel is most popular. And this would be the one that if I was going to buy it, this would be the one that I would get. This is the Nice BB. This is £700. I really think that the Louis Vuitton vanity cases, with the exception of if I'm going to compare them to Gucci, which I'm going to come on to in a second, I think they are the best value. There is a reason why I think they're the best value, because they are canvas with leather trim. The Chanel version is full leather. The Dior version, I actually want to show you this to demonstrate it. Some of you, if you've seen this close up, will already know this, but the Dior version isn't just one piece of fabric that's been printed. All of this is embroidered on. So if I show you close up, Can you see this kind of stitching? This particular fabric, which you get on various bags as well as the book tote, it's very thick, it's quite heavy, it's quite durable. The fabric on the more kind of luggage items is a different texture entirely to the same print that is on the 30 Montaigne. So I've got the 30 Montaigne bag, and I also have a wallet that's got this Dior print on it. And this fabric is a lot thicker, and it definitely feels more like luggage, whereas the 30 Montaigne, the fabric's it's a bit thinner. I can't describe it. I'm going to try and demonstrate that as well so you can see it. But if you're looking at this and you're thinking, it is fabric, is it going to pull and catch? I use my book tote to death and I haven't noticed anything. I also was worried about what happens if you get it dirty, but I mean, you could put a twilly scarf around this if you wanted to. But because the background of the monogram is kind of like a creamy beigey colour, it actually masks any dirt. I mean, when I look at my my book tote, I can't see any issues with it. And then finally, the larger version. The price on this really jumps up. So the mini's $555, the BB size is 700, the large size is 1,760. So it jumps up by like £1,000. Now the only difference is with the large, it's got a mirror on the inside. It comes with a name tag, which you can have customized, that's free. It also has got an inside flat pocket, which a lot of the others do anyway. It comes with a lock, and here's the thing, it comes with a strap. Do you see what I'm saying? I feel like as soon as these brands put a strap on any of these items, it makes it a handbag and they can put the price up. So I really do, I know I keep saying it, but I really think if you want a lot of bag for your money, I really like the vanity case idea. It's durable, you can use it for so many different methods, like wear it as a bag, use it as a vanity case, do whatever you think, but I think that it's the best route to go down. Now, finally, Gucci. Out of all of the brands I've told you about, I would either say that the Louis Vuitton BB size, nice BB, or the Gucci that I'm going to come on to now would be the best to buy because they're the cheapest, but the brands are still really good. They're kind of like the halo brands. So Gucci have got two. I'm going to start with the more expensive version, which is the Marmont version. This comes in full leather and it's £750. It's the same size, I think. I'm going to put sizes in here because I don't have a ruler and I'm not sure what size everything is in comparison to the next. That's the first one. And then the second version is their classic canvas. This is, for the size that this is the cheapest out of everything I'm showing you. I know that there is that Louis Vuitton mini size for $555, but really that is quite mini. This, I feel, from Gucci is the most practical size that you could actually use on a daily basis. It's canvas, the Gucci canvas. I've got a bag from 2009, I think. It's a Boston bag. It doesn't have a mark or a scratch on the canvas. It's so hard wearing. It's also waterproof if you go out in the rain, no problem. £610. I think that is a really good price. They are all of the vanity cases, and they're the ones that, as I mentioned, I keep seeing on Instagram. I feel like they're really gonna trend this year, and I feel like we're just at the start of it. I'm just starting to see them everywhere, and I just feel probably come the summer, I wouldn't be surprised if we're seeing people wearing them a bit more. Let me know what you think as well. If you're watching this and you're like, no way, I'd never wear a vanity case, share your thoughts, let me know. And equally, if you hadn't thought about it and maybe you're like, actually, it's not a bad idea and you get a lot more bag for your money than just buying a handbag, then again, share with me your thoughts.